Alright guys, Data Zero here, and we're back with another video for you guys. I have an update on Bitcoin and what's been going on with Bitcoin, and just give you guys a little bit of data as normal with my videos. So we're just going to go ahead, hop right into it, but this is a Bitcoin update and basically a cryptocurrency update because Bitcoin obviously has a very large effect on what the altcoins do. So this is an altcoin Bitcoin update, but we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin charts, explaining on what's going on, what I think is going to happen, where I think the price is going to go for the remainder of the year, and then do a little bit of technical analysis. We're basically just looking at the chart and a trend that I identified a couple months back that has been consistent. So let's go ahead and hop in the charts and check out what's going on with Bitcoin. Alright guys, Data Zero here, and we're here with the charts of Bitcoin BTC to USD, which means BTC Bitcoin into US dollars. So as you can see, we had this low of $29, and we came down from that from our recent high. We actually went down to $28 as our lowest, or $28,000 as our lowest point. So from our high of 64, almost 65,000, down to 28, which we found our bottom. And then a couple months back, or about a month and a half back, I had drew what appeared to be a bullish flag or pennant forming right here. I noticed the consolidation. It wasn't very perfect, but I noticed this downtrend, and I noticed the consolidation. I noticed this finding these wicks into the bottom, and I predicted that we'd have an outbreak. Well, luckily for me, that happened, and that prediction came to fruition. So now I have had this trend line drawn for quite some time, as you can see on my older videos, and you can see that we've been following it actually quite nicely, not really touching it. I should actually move it up a little bit, and I actually will do that. So just if I can get a hold of it. There we go. So we have some touches here, touch here, and I had it all the way up to 52,000. So that's where I believed Bitcoin was at least going to go. But once we hit 50,000, which we just did, which is why I'm making this video, is what I think is the FOMO and the fear of missing out, which is FOMO, is going to begin. And also, the margin has not returned in Bitcoin yet. Much of the margin that was out, which gave us our exponential moves to the upside, but also causes exponential moves to the downside, has gotten out. So once people start going long on margin, and Bitcoin was actually just in the red, it's now gone green, so we are increasing. I think people are waking up and just seeing that it hit 50,000 right now. I'm making this about at 5:26 a.m. in the morning Eastern Standard Time. So yes, it's a little bit early, but people are going to wake up, see that Bitcoin hit 50,000, and it's already going up. When I woke up, it was at like the low 50,000. It's already at 50,000. 462 is a new high we just put in. So as you can see, I have this trend line drawn to 52,000. That's exactly where I think it's going to go at minimum. But honestly, I think we're going to go much past 64,000 very easily. And the coins, the altcoins, are already starting to respond well. If you look over here on your left where my mouse is, you can actually see I have a few coins that you can see. XRP's at 1.29 cents. We got Litecoin at 191, so $191. We got Doge at 32 cents. I made a video on Doge, but I don't suggest buying Doge. If things get crazy and the bull run gets crazy and the euphoria gets crazy, yes, that might make you some money, but the utilities aren't as well as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, which is our top 3 coins by market cap. So if you go ahead and look at these, and these are the top 3 coins that I would suggest investing in. There's other ones like Algorand, XRP, Stellar that I like as well. But as far as gains, I think Cardano is going to give you the most, then Ethereum, and then Bitcoin. But I think you should invest in all 3 just to be safe, build a nice portfolio. Now, I'll have complete transparency and say that most of my portfolio consists of Cardano and then Ethereum. But that is just my personal opinion, and you guys can go ahead and decide what you want to do on your own. But I just wanted to give this quick update on Bitcoin, let you guys know what's going on and where I think the price is going to go. I think that we're going to very easily pass all-time high here within probably by the end of September. We'll be above all-time highs, and I think mid-September we'll see. I know that we're going to see at least 55,000 within. Honestly, you know what? We might see 60, might see all-time highs. Yeah, by the end by the end of September, we should be on track for all-time highs. So I'll continue tracking this and giving you guys an update. As you can see, we have our trend line drawn, and it's following it quite nicely. And we still have room to come down, and then have some room to breathe and come down. As you can see, RSI is getting rather oversold, but you can see that on the MACD that we are beginning to form another bullish run up. So we can see where that goes. But on the daily chart, the MACD is the RSI is definitely going into oversold territory, and we can even have room to come back down and then still rock it up. But I believe that once people see that this has hit 50K, we're going to get some FOMO, and we could possibly get some of that margin returning. So some of the people doing like the 100x leverage and the 50x leverage, 25x leverage on their trades, which gives Bitcoin some of its exponential growth, might return. So we're looking for that to return. But I just wanted to give that quick update, let you guys know what's going on. If we quickly look at Reddit, you can see that the social media sentiment. So I know some people don't take that very as a much of a take all of it with a grain of salt. But as you can see, the social sentiment for Bitcoin and crypto as a whole has been very well. Elon Musk went ahead and retracted some of his statements on Cathie Wood. They had that meeting where they talked about crypto and seeing how good it has. How things, and just said good things about it, which helped pump the market. And as you can see, there is clearly an uptrend happening, and once people get this confirmation, which I think they were waiting for it to hit over 50K, I think this is going to be confirmation for a lot of those people that trade on leverage to start doing longs on Bitcoin and give us an exponential growth way past our all previous time highs of 64K, almost 65K. And I do think that 100K, 75K Bitcoin is coming this year. 75 to 100K this year, but we'll see how this video ages. So that is the video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on Bitcoin and what's going on. Hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out. Alright guys, so that's the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.